What is ethnographic analysis? Ethnographic analysis is a qualitative research method used to study people's behaviors, cultures, and interactions within their natural environments. This method involves observing, participating in, and interpreting the cultural or social practices of a group to understand their perspectives and lived experiences. Ethnographic analysis is often applied in anthropology, sociology, marketing, and user experience (UX) research. Example of ethnographic analysis. Scenario: a researcher wants to understand the dining habits of urban families. Participant observation: join families during meals to observe dining routines, food preferences, and interactions. Field notes: record observations about meal preparation, table settings, and conversations during meals. Interviews: interview family members to understand the significance of dining together. Cultural analysis: examine how traditions, like serving specific dishes on special occasions, reflect cultural values. Visual ethnography: capture photos of meals and dining spaces for further analysis. Number 1. Participant observation. Definition: the researcher immerses themselves in the environment and participates in the daily activities of the group being studied. Technique: actively engage with participants while observing their behaviors and interactions. Record detailed field notes about observations. Example: observing and participating in the daily routines of farmers to understand agricultural practices. Number 2. Field notes. Definition: detailed documentation of observations, reflections, and interactions recorded during field work. Technique: write comprehensive notes immediately after each observation session. Include descriptions of physical settings, interactions, and non-verbal cues. Example: documenting how market vendors interact with customers in a busy bazaar. Number 3. Interviews. Definition: conducting in-depth interviews to gain deeper insights into participants' perspectives and cultural practices. Technique: use open-ended questions to encourage detailed responses. Combine interviews with observations for richer insights. Example: interviewing community leaders to understand local governance practices. Number 4. Cultural analysis. Definition: examining the symbols, rituals, values, and norms of the group being studied. Technique: identify and interpret cultural elements such as language, clothing, and celebrations. Relate these elements to broader social or historical contexts. Example: analyzing traditional ceremonies to understand a community's values and beliefs. Number 5. Contextual inquiry. Definition: understanding behaviors by observing participants in their real-world environments while asking clarifying questions. Technique: shadow participants as they perform tasks or routines. Ask contextual questions to understand the rationale behind their actions. Example: observing factory workers on the production floor to understand workflow and efficiency. Number 6. Visual ethnography. Definition: using photographs, videos, or other visual media to capture and analyze cultural practices. Technique: document key events, environments, or artifacts through visuals. Analyze visual data for recurring patterns or cultural symbols. Example: taking photographs of street art to understand expressions of social activism. Number 7. Narrative analysis. Definition: analyzing stories or accounts shared by participants to understand their lived experiences. Technique: identify key themes and patterns in participants' narratives. Interpret the meaning of stories in their cultural context. Example: analyzing stories from refugees to understand their migration experiences. When to use ethnographic analysis: to study behaviors and practices in natural settings. To understand cultural norms, values, and traditions. To explore user experiences and needs in real-world environments. Applications of ethnographic analysis: anthropology, studying indigenous tribes or cultural rituals. Sociology, exploring community dynamics or urban lifestyles. Marketing, understanding consumer behavior in shopping environments. User experience research, observing users interact with products or systems.